Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Soak Fizz Bubbles. It's been a while since I've done demos, so I'll put their link below, but sometimes their website has like nothing on it because they'll make all the products and then they have like a release date, and once they sell out, they kind of take down the site where you can't really look at stuff until they make new ones, if that makes sense. So we have a little thank you, share your photos to win a chance to win $50 store credit, 10% off code there for you. And what is this? They threw in, oh, I remember this from last time. They give you like little samples and stuff. Milk flavored straws, hello marshmallow. I'm gonna have to keep that from the children. I want that. That sounds good. So they gave me that. And Candy Fairy wax melt sample. So it's a wax melt, though it looks like you can eat it. It's got little glitter stars in it. Ooh, it smells like candy. It smells like, what's that Lush? There's a fairy, something fairy, sugar fairy. Lush has it, smells just like it. That smells really good. And then, thank you for your order. Oh yeah, I think I ordered this because I've never seen anything like this before. It is to unwrap your bath bombs from the packaging they put them in, which I think is an amazing idea. I'm trying to look on my sheet here and I don't see it on there, but I'm positive I ordered this. Unless they threw another one in. But yeah, curious to see how well that works. It has a little sharp edge and you should be able to like snag it. Love that. And let's see, is this my bubble scoop? Yes. They had bubble scoops and this is a watermelon Laffy Taffy. So I will do demos of all these products on my channel. I love how they wrap everything. Another sample here. White Peach Sangria Whipped Soap Sample. Yum. That one smells good too. Okay, so now here's the bath bombs that I ordered. This one looks like a Pop-Tart. How adorable is that? They spent a lot of time decorating their bath bombs. They looked so cool. And then we have a UFO bath bomb. So a lot of their bath bombs are just bath bombs, but this one, and I think one of the other things I picked, has a surprise in it. So there's a surprise little alien toy in here, which I think is cool. This one smells like ripe blackberries and milk, or vanilla musk. Adorable. Can't wait to demo these. And this one also has a toy in it. So it looks like those little hatchling toys. And it has a little hatchling or a little animal of some sort in it. Raylan's gonna love that. You probably hear it in the background yelling. Oh, look at this. Baby Yoda. Look at all the attention to detail. That's so cool. And I could tell he's gonna be colorful. I saw some pink on the side there. Kids are absolutely going to freak out when they see this. They had the Yoda one before, but it sold out whenever I had tried to get it. So sometimes they'll have like the products back again, and then sometimes you might have to wait till they come back. Here is a bath bomb that's a Pina Colada smoothie. It's got a little soap in bed that looks like a pineapple, little paper straw, super cute. Cotton Candy Sky. This has druzy earrings inside. I don't think previously they had any that had jewelry in it, so I had to get some of those to see what that's like. Little soap in bed gumdrop up there, that's adorable. Oh yeah, I just saw the shrink wrap thing on my shrink wrap opener on my list, so I definitely did get that. Look at this one. Mermaid egg. This has a stone necklace. That's gorgeous. Oh yeah, this one looked cool too, because there's like a little bottle in here that has some oil, I think, in it, and then some Epsom salt, and it's called Beach Scape. Yeah, bath oil is in that vial. I just thought that was really cool. I think I still have several in here. They must be at the very bottom. Ah, look at that one. That is raspberry cream donut. Little raspberry soap in bed. Looks amazing. And I think there's at least one or two left in here. Here's a Whoopie Pie. It's got drizzle of all different colors on there. And the inside, ugh, so pretty. Funfetti Whoopie cake. That's huge too, real heavy. And that may be it. I think so. Got lots of little peanuts in here. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know which one you want to see a demo of first. I'll start filming these, and they will be up on my page shortly. If you guys would like to check them out, have all the information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.